So for those of you who've been watching the videos so far, you'll know that I've been struggling with wind noise up here, and so I've been looking at solutions for the GoPro 7 and for the smartphone, and that has unleashed a whole new need to learn lots of stuff about microphones, and hopefully I'll cover that today. But most importantly, what I want to do is I want to compare the solutions that I've come up with so far, and they include obviously using the microphone in the camera, the native microphones without anything, the WindSlayer, so-called, it's a piece of foam that goes around the GoPro. So far been pretty good, and then a Lavalier microphone, a Saramonic microphone, which I haven't tried yet. The last two require the incredibly expensive, exorbitant Pro 3.5mm mic adapter from GoPro themselves, £50, so we'll have a look at that. For reasons that will become apparent later on in the video, I thought I'd got all the footage I needed and the microphone solutions I needed, but then I decided to add the Rode VideoMicro microphone to the mix, and these are the bits you get. Gotta say, extremely well made, very positive connections, and so we'll see how we get on with this later on in the video. Just to say, apologies in advance if the video appears a bit disjointed in places, but that's because the footage with the Rode microphone was done 2 days later. The native microphones and the WindSlayer mean that you can actually use the GoPro in its waterproof state, which is kind of really useful in Scotland. For the Saramonic directional mic and the Lavalier, you actually have to have the cover off the side of the GoPro, and indeed what I did was I got this case so that I can have the camera fitted with the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter as one unit. So we'll have a play with that as well and see how it is. But it does mean that you can't have the waterproof cover on. So for these two solutions, the GoPro stops being waterproof in any way. So when you look at the reviews for this, it gets really poor reviews, and but looking at the detail and the comments, actually that's because it's just so expensive, and in terms of whether it works or not, people seem to be okay with that. So let's hope I have the same experience. It's okay, so let's unbox it. And there you go. And thank you GoPro for the instructions. Oh no, there aren't any. And the quality packaging. So there you go. This is what people are complaining about. £50 adapter. Did invest huge amounts of money in these dead mice, I think they're called. But I tried this and I completely failed trying to match up in the editing the sound with the video, so I'm not going to be doing much of that. Testing 1 2 3, 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 A B C D E F G, testing 1 2 3, A B C D E F G, testing 1 2 3, Testing 1 2 3. A B C D E F G. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. A B C D E F G. Testing 1 2 3. A B C D E F G. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Testing 1 2 3. 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 A B C D E F G. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. Quite windy then. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A B C D E F G. 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is just a bit on the experience I had trying to work out how these adapters work and the difference between TRS and TRRS. And basically, the definition is based on how many rings there are on the jack, on the 3.5mm jack. So this is a TRRS. And this is a TRS, and different jacks, the TRS and the TRS, work on different things or don't work at all on different things. So the GoPro adapter needs a TRS connection. Smartphone needs a TRRS connection, and this is the Lavalier mic. So when I plug it in and press record, it says recording audio through the headset, which is what it really means, is it's recording through the Lavalier mic. If I want to use the Lavalier microphone, which has got a TRRS jack with the GoPro adapter, I actually need an adapter between the two. So an adapter and an adapter. So this is a TRS male which accepts a TRRS male, and put that in there, add that, and now I can use the Lavalier microphone with the GoPro. So currently I can use the Saramonic microphone with a smartphone on the gimbal if I use the Rode SC4 TRS to TRRS adapter.